So in today's video, I'll show you how to update software on Black Shark gaming tablet. In order to update software, you will need to click on, go to the settings app and then click on the system in there, then system updates. And now you can click on check for updates and it'll let you know. In my case, my system is up to date, so I can't update now. But if you have an update available, you will be able to install it by simply clicking on download and install. It will start downloading in the background, then it'll prompt you to restart your tablet. After it's restarted, it will be applied, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.